Stop what you're doing and just breathe that in. If you think you've had the ultimate pepper soup, but it didn't come out of a clay pot, I am sorry. We need to talk. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going back to the basics, okay? We're going to be cooking chicken and yam pepper soup in clay pot. And the chicken is free range. You know the chicken that run around in the village? Yes, this is one of them. Already prepped, and I asked them to remove the skin for me. And on this table I have my bell pepper, chilies, onion, salt, crayfish powder, pepper soup spice, all the way from the motherland. This is the authentic pepper soup. You can always get that from your African shop. I have my dried scent leaf because I don't have the fresh one, so I started by adding some hot water into that just to rehydrate it. And I'm going to just set that aside and proceed with the other thing. So my chicken is already clean, everything is already prepared, so that this video won't be too long. So you just want to follow this process if you do decide to make something like this. It is very, very forgiving. As long as you have your pepper soup spice, you can, add your own twist and come up with something really nice. So I went ahead to prepare my pepper. I'm going to be blending this bell pepper and chilies and onion in the blender. And while I'm doing that, let me use this opportunity to welcome you back to my channel. All my existing subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always showing up for your girl. Really appreciate that. YouTube has not been easy lately, but hey, you guys are always there to support me and to give me that like and to share. Really appreciate you. And if you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Kick back, relax, and let's enjoy this ride together. You see this beautiful clay pot? I saw it at the shop and I just fell in love with it and just had to bring it back home because it reminded me of my grandma. Our own clay pot was not as fancy, but I remember each time she would cook with the clay pot and take it off the stove, the clay pot is still bubbling. Oh my god, we used to be so fascinated as kids. So as you can see, I've added my chicken into the clay pot. I came in with some seasoning cube or seasoning powder, whatever you want, and some salt just to start the cooking process. So I'm going to add the pepper at this stage because I want it to cook properly and boil properly. After about 10 minutes, I came to check on my chicken and it is beginning to boil and bubble away, which is exactly what I want. I gave it a quick mix just to make sure that everything is submerged in the pepper and the seasoning is touching everything. You know what I mean, right? Something about clay pots is just so nice and fascinating. Maybe it's the earthy nature or the porous nature of the clay pot. It just holds flavor better, I think, and I think it just gives that secret deep undertone to your cooking and brings out the flavor, which is really nice. As you have noticed, I added some more water into this. You're going to add as much water as you would like, and then I came in with my rehydrated scent leaf and my pepper soup spice. And at this point also I decided to come in with my yam because the chicken is almost done. I've boiled it for about 15 minutes, so I'm going to be adding the yam so that everything gets cooked nicely together and the flavor is incorporated into the yam as well. So these are frozen yam, so when I buy yam I peel it and store it in the freezer. So after cooking the yam and the chicken for about 10 minutes, I came to check on it. The yam is still very hard, as you can see. I gave it a little taste and I adjusted my seasoning. So here I'm adding some more crayfish seasoning. You can add your normal chicken seasoning or whatever you have. And I adjusted the salt. I decided to come in with some Cameroon pepper as well for extra flavor. And what goes in last is my crayfish powder. And I'm just going to make sure everything is nicely combined. At this point, my kitchen is smelling super amazing. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that like button, okay? Help me to share, leave me a comment, and I will really appreciate that. So you're going to cover your pan again and you're just going to keep checking. Actually your pot, this is clay pot, not pan. And you're going to keep checking until the yam is nice and tender. At this point, my yam is nice and tender. I came in with some extra diced bell peppers. These are not chilies, these are red bell peppers, just for extra color. And I also add this Thai basil leaf in my freezer, and I decided to add that in as well, just for extra color and flavor. And look at that, it is super amazing. Actually doing this voiceover now, my mouth is still watering as well. So I just gave it a little cover and then turn the heat off. Remember, the clay pot will continue to cook even while it's off the fire, so there was no need for me to boil it any further after adding the bell pepper slices and the Thai basil. Let me tell you, my kitchen right now smells like a 5-star retreat. I kid you not. The yam looks buttery, the chicken is just nice and perfectly cooked. Bone-in, free-range chicken. Look at that. If you're ready to level up your pepper soup game, you just have to look for that clay pot and cook your pepper soup in it, and then come back and review that for me. So there you have it, my pepper soup is ready. I am going to serve this is what I'm going to have for dinner. Nice and healthy, low calorie. If you notice, I didn't add any extra oil. This is because my chicken, I believe, has some oil in it, and oil is full of calories anyway. So there you have it, chicken and yam pepper soup is ready. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you going to be looking for a clay pot? Actually, clay pots are safer than all these non-stick pot that we are using, to be honest. That is why our parents, with minimal care, they lived long and they lived a healthy life. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.
Oh my yum! For recipes from around the globe.